Hello friends, welcome back to Aunty Dann's kitchen. Here we meet again today. Aunty menus for today is Grill Indian Mackerel wrapped with pandan leaves. These Indian mackerels I have already marinated for overnight with salt, and then I'm going to marinate it with garlic, 5 cloves of garlic, a little bit of ginger, turmeric powder, and black pepper powder that I already ground. So stay tuned, guys. Let's pound the garlic. Right, it's pounded already. I'm gonna mix it on the fish. And this is turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons. I want to add a little bit of about 1 teaspoon of salt because I already washed clean the excess just now during last night marination. And this is Ajinomoto, 1 teaspoon. Right. A little bit of cooking oil. Okay. Right. We mix it. Mix it well. Alright, the ground black pepper. Okay, that's it. Alright, this one we have to set aside for about 30 minutes. Let the ingredients blend together with the fish. Then we will proceed later on, okay? Alright, done. This one leave aside. Let it rest for a while together with all these condiments so that it will taste good. Okay, I add 1 teaspoon amount of fennel powder and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Okay, mix it well. This one has been left aside for about half an hour. And come, let's follow Aunty with the following process, okay? Stay tuned. Heat up the pan, the grill pan, and we start roll it. Ah, that's how it is. Okay. The pan is already heat up. Now it's time to grill. Okay, stay tuned guys. Cover it with a lid. Alright. The flame, don't make it too big. A bit slow flame so that it will slowly cook. Alright, stay tuned guys. Alright, let's check the fish. We turn it. Oh, it smells good. Oh, beautiful. Alright, continue to grill with small flame. Stay tuned guys. Let's see. So nice. Check. Oh, this is nice. Oh. Oops. Continue to grill for a while. These are the condiments to eat with the fish later on. Is the shredded Holland onion and bird eye chili. I'm gonna mix it with a black soy sauce. Stay tuned guys. Alright, it's done. Okay, turn off the flame. Take out the fish. It's done already. That's how it is. Alright friends, this is the ending of Auntie's cooking just now. Grill Pandan Indian Mackerel, to be eaten with brown rice and spicy dipping sauce. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe, like, comment and share. May God bless all. Bye bye. See you in the next video.